Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so happy that you are here. Friends, these are microgreens of broccoli which I could grow in 9 days in extreme summer. It's looking wonderful, isn't it? Besides being looking wonderful, broccoli microgreens have enormous benefits. In fact, you will be amazed to know that all kinds of microgreens are more nutrient rich than their full grown plants. Do you want to see its journey from day one? Let's watch at its step by step growth and then I'll tell you about its health benefits while harvesting it. So let's get started. I am showing you this clip of 19th July when I sowed the seeds of broccoli in coco peat. These seeds are very small, so there is no need to soak them in water. I filled this low height container with coco peat and made it thoroughly wet with water. Then I tried to level the coco peat with this small bowl and with a spoon. I did this so that the microgreens grow of the same height. And if the medium we put the seeds in is uneven, the microgreens grow of different heights. So you should level the coco peat with anything you think will help. Generally, people do it with a small wooden block, but the main thing is that it should be done. You can also mix a pinch of turmeric in the coco peat if you feel your microgreens can be attacked by fungal infection. Then I spread the seeds on the coco peat. Try to do it thickly and evenly. Try not to overlap. And then cover them with a very thin layer of coco peat. Water it very lightly, either with a bottle or with hand like this. After this, cover it with a newspaper so that the seeds can get enough moisture and heat to sprout. Here you can see the growth of broccoli microgreens on 22nd July. Can you see? It's whitish, very light green in color, almost yellowish. Some people take it as mold, get disheartened and discard it. You see, broccoli's first growth is like this only, as we had covered it with newspaper and kept it indoors after sowing the seeds. At this stage, we will not cover it with newspaper and will keep it in sunlight. And you will see it will turn green, bushy and healthy in a day. And friends, now look at the broccoli microgreens. Today is 23rd July. Yesterday's yellow colored microgreens have turned into bright green in just one day as they got sunlight. Just don't put them in direct sunlight but place them at a place where they can get enough sunlight. Aren't you surprised at their sudden color change? See, this is what is called nature. And they are growing marvelously. Almost every seed has sprouted. See its roots. Friends, look at this crop of 25th July and you can see the broccoli microgreens have become very smartly tall, almost 3.5 inches tall. I think they will be ready to be harvested in a day or two. All these days I watered these once a day only and kept these in a place where they can get enough sunlight but not direct one. And friends, today is 28th July and you can see these broccoli microgreens are ready to be harvested. They are about 4.5 inches tall and microgreens are best to be harvested at this height. Can you see the light purple color of their stems? Besides their amazing taste, broccoli microgreens have amazing health benefits. I have already told you in the beginning that nutrients in the broccoli microgreens are much higher as compared to adult broccoli. It has twice as much vitamin C as in spinach and as much as in lemon. So, broccoli microgreens are an excellent support for immune system. These microgreens are also rich in vitamins A, B, E and K. They have minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, chlorophyll and amino acids. They help to protect vision, fight cancer and diabetes. The broccoli microgreens can be used to improve the taste of sandwiches, salads and pasta dishes. They are beautiful enough to garnish soups too. The broccoli microgreens are amazing when eaten raw, but if you want to cook them, just stir fry them so that this superfood doesn't lose its nutrients as well as its taste. They may not be as easy to grow as wheat microgreens, which I grew last time, but with little care, you can easily have this superfood. So, friends, are you going to grow broccoli microgreens? I hope your answer is yes. Please tell me in the comment section below. In case of any question regarding this, please feel free to write in the comment section below. And please like and share this episode if you feel I bring good stuff. I hope you have already subscribed to my channel and I thank you from the core of my heart for this. So bye friends. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.